Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cool tents, mini tents for cats, outdoor or indoors. For sure, outdoors are gonna work perfectly. That this brand sent to me for this video, and it comes with all the installation and the kind of like setup and everything that you're gonna do. That is super easy. You're not gonna have any issues with any of this. They were actually sleeping on these ones last night. We put two together, but they come in three different colors with the bags and everything. But I gotta say that either for indoors, just for them to have a place to hide, a place to sleep, or a place to chill, or something like that, it could be really good. So, as I was saying before, we have four cats at home. We have two males and two females. Minnie is one of the females. She's a medium to small size cat, and we also have a Penny, which is super tiny tuxedo cat. But we also have two male cats that are 21 pounds each. So I gotta say that this tent is for medium to small size cat. Tiger and Hawkeye are male ones. Try them, and while they fit, they were kind of like having not half of their body or something like that, but probably their head and their neck hanging outside because it's not super big, but it's tended to be for medium to small size cat. As I was just telling you before, it comes in three different colors. I do love this camel one. I think it's the most fantastic one for sure. So let's take a closer look if she allows me actually. So as I was just telling you before, I do like, again, having this one for both indoors or outdoors. I do like that comes with so many places for them to actually access. Like, for example, I'm going to actually grab this one over here, but she's just right over there. They're exactly the same, just different colors. And now she wants to come to this one. But they have this door over here that comes with a zipper, so you can actually close it if you want. Comes with the zipper, or if not, come on, Minnie, don't do that. Just this one right now, come on. But if not, you can do this thing that I was just doing before. You can actually have it and let it open if you want. You also have right here on the back, you have kind of like a ventilation one, which I think it is really good. And both of this one comes with the mosquito mesh, so that's actually cool as well. Let me see if you can see a little bit of the inside. So inside, you're gonna find right there, this one is super soft, which is one of the things that they really like, that it was really soft. They were making some biscuits as well, so making that one to be super soft. And it also comes right here. It comes just like this with the bag, so you can take it with you on the go if you're going on a trip or something like that, and making sure that they have the really nice place to sleep either indoors or outdoors. But as you can see over here, they're really lightweight. She's just pushing it. So if you put it outdoors, sorry about the noise, you're gonna find these ones, which these ones are super strong. So you can use this. Minnie, come on, I can do it. I can work like this. So then you can use this O-rings over here, or just even this ones to put it like in an inclined way and put it on the grass. So that's actually really cool. And last but not least, I do like that comes with this waterproof canopy. So you can put the canopy over here. Just make sure that there is kind of like this metal piece over here. Make sure that it's facing this way, so if it is raining, the water is not getting inside, but it's actually bouncing to the outside. I gotta say, these ones are awesome, really good ones, soft inside, waterproof with this tent, outdoors, indoors, they're gonna like it anyways, and of course, they're also super easy to put together. Minnie, what do you say? Let's give it a thumbs up? Yeah, let's give it a thumbs up. Just like this, thumbs up, recommended. All of them in every single color. They like it. That's the most important thing. Thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.